As I said before, for the specific function for VLOOKUP, it is most easiest and best way to avoid the error is define name manager. That means give a name of the source table. That is the source table and that is the target table. So suppose I get the value already against the Monday, it is 12. That means this one. Now this is the formula. Now when you drag down, is this is a name. Why? Because see the formula A4 to A9. When you drag down, so naturally the cell reference was changed A5 to C10. That means from there is not found Monday. That's why A9. So that is most of time we missed to fix the range. Select the thing. Now fix the range. Fix the range. If you drag down, then there is no issue. But we forget to select the range. Whatever from the sheet 2, that is also the issue. Suppose equal to VLOOKUP, then select comma, come to the sheet. If there is a long, so the source table is very long, then it should be problem to select the thing, then it should be locked. But as I said before, once more, just select the range, give a name from there. It is TBLE, table 1, enter. Select the thing, TBLE, table 2, come here, TBLE, table 3, TBLE, table 4. Okay, now Monday, change sheet 12. Okay, now see what happened. Equal to VLOOKUP, previous lookup value, then you have to select that table, table 1, table 2, table 3, table 4, table 1, comma 2, comma 0, bracket close, enter, and simply you can drag down, control D, whatever, there is no issue. Just change the table 2, table 3, and as well as table 4. So it is very easy to use and to avoid the VLOOKUP function by name manager. So when you select there, you find table 1, table 2, table 3, table 4. So like this, always use name manager specifically for VLOOKUP. One more thing, that is a column index. See, see, J is column 10, but in that case, when I use table 2, what is the table 2? Table 2 is, that is, see, my table index is 2 because the lookup function search the first ID and that was the first column index. So Monday search in the table 2, that is the first column, and I give the column index 2, that means that column. It is, but actually J is column 10, but VLOOKUP function search the ID, that is lookup value F12. So F12 search, F13 search, where? There. So that is the column index 1, and after that column index 2. That's why I use column index 2 over there. But my target to show the name manager. That is the main target that I want to share with you. First give the name range, then you can use very easily that VLOOKUP instead of selection. Don't try to select like this, just give the name range first. If you give the name range, then easily you can use. See, hope I can explain and you understand also. Okay, and next time you always give the name range. So you can drag down also. See, select and drag down. Now sorry, select the thing. Now you drag down and change 2 to 3, and as well as just change the table. That is very basic. I'll show you there. Very basic. Okay. Thank you so much.